Well, one thing is that the human mind is such that unless you expose yourself to the best in class, you get obsolete. It's like what happened to the dinosaurs. So it's really fascinating to take up time from your busy schedule and listen to stalwarts, your colleagues from industry. So you can pace yourself. It's like similar to taking part in the Olympics. If you wish to be in the Olympics, you have to be of a certain pedigree. Only then you can hope to succeed. So a seminar like this is equivalent to the Olympics of healthcare intellectual knowledge hotspot, so to speak. It's really fascinating, and I must give all credit to Symbiosis to get all of us together, not just to meet each other, but to exchange what we have with the young upcoming healthcare professionals. Wonderful. Uh, See, our country is booming big time. I see our country really taking up its true spot in the world. Few days back, the news stories talked about the Indian economy being the third largest in the world in PPP terms. We've just overtaken Japan. So it's United States, China, and India. It's just hard numbers when you look across the world as GDP per capita increases, access to healthcare also increases. So we see huge amount of healthcare projects and investments coming to our country, not just in private sector, also in public sector, and we need professionals. Gone are the days where, if you're a veteran doctor, you can aspire to run the hospital. Not so. Would like to give a contrasting example from France. If you go to Paris and look at the French health system, you see thousand plus bed hospitals in the public sector. The CEOs of these hospitals are young professionals in the age group of 26 to 32. It's just that the French, I would say, are a few years ahead of our country, that they have professionalized healthcare management, and they have a cadre of professionals for healthcare management. I foresee a vision there like the Indian Administrative Service or the Indian Police Service. I see a vision of having an Indian Health Service, where at the entry level you need to be a master's degree holder in healthcare management, and that alone will revolutionize the quality of healthcare in India. So all of you who are in the Symbiosis healthcare stream, good luck to you. The future is yet to come.